Meaning of Dean Acheson.
Dean Acheson.
Dean Acheson.
Dean Acheson.
Dean Acheson. Dean Acheson, 1893 to 1971, was an American statesman who served as the United States Secretary of State from 1949 to 1953 under President Harry S. Truman. He played a key role in shaping U.S. foreign policy during the early Cold War era, notably through his support of the Truman Doctrine and Marshall Plan. Acheson was known for his intellect, wit, and eloquence, and he received numerous honors for his service, including the Presidential Medal of Freedom. He remains a significant figure in American diplomatic history.